Hello everyone, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creature by Fabi. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you 2 DIYs for spring using Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's go ahead and get started. So for the first DIY, I'm going to be using 2 plungers, and also I'm going to be repurposing handles of my old brushes. Some Waverly wax and I color antique, some white paint, and that one was the bottom of the basket that I used in the previous DIY, and also some leftover flowers, some thumbtacks, and of course some twine. So let's get creative. I'm going to start off by removing the rubber part, just like so. Then I'm going to be removing the label. Here I'm showing you guys an easy way to remove the label. Just heat it out a little bit with the hair dryer and come out easily. But I still had the sticky part on it, so for that I use a little bit of acetone, and then I sand it a little bit, as you can see. So next I'm going to be creating the little ladder, just like so. And then I'm going to be using a ruler just to make sure they are straight, and then mark it with a pencil where I'm going to be gluing the little handles or the little wooden pieces. So you can use this for this project with glue, but I'm going to be using hot glue anyway. So now I'm going to be using the Dremel or rotating tool, I think they call, and create like those little holes, but not directly holes, I don't know how you call that. Yeah, to be able to place the wooden pieces, as you can see here. So I did the same with both pieces. Now I'm going to be applying hot glue and start gluing the small pieces of wood or the handles. Just like so. As I said before, you can also use wood glue for this project. So here I just glue one part. Now I'm going to be the other side of the ladder, and yeah, I'm using something just to hold it and keep it straight. And so little by little I'm just adding hot glue and push it together, and that's how it looks when it was gluing. Next I'm going to be using white acrylic paint, and I'm going to just give it one light coat, just like so. And here is the ladder with the paint dry. You can tell that some part they were not painted well, but it's okay. We're going to be cover that with the antique wax, and I'm using just a small piece of texture and that's the way that I distress the leather, and I think it looks really cute as already. So now I'm going to be using twine and also the thumbtacks, but at first I'm going to be cover the ends of the ladder just like so with the twine to cover that. We don't want to show that part, but also we want to give it that rustic look. So here is how it looks when it was complete, the ends. Now I'm going to be using the thumbtacks, but I also going to use a little bit of black paint just to kind of give it that chrome look or something like that to the thumbtacks, because I didn't want to look so shiny. So yeah, I start placing it on the side just like so using a hammer. So I repeat the step with both sides. So like I say, now I'm going to be just using a little bit of the paint on the tacks just like so. Clean it a little bit because I don't want it to look perfect. just like so. Already that is a cute ladder. So but now we're going to leave it on the side, and we're going to create a little ref. So using the bottom of the basket from the last project. If you haven't seen that project, I will leave the link on the description below. So here I'm going to just using the leftover paint that was in the brush, and then I'm going to start gluing the green part around just like so. By the way, this greenery I purchased from Walmart a while ago. So yes, and then I'm going to be gluing the little flowers. So I just cut the little stems just like so. I just remove it from the stem, I mean, and then start to adding hot glue and create the cute wreath. And there you have it, so adorable. Now with the twine, I'm going to just get a couple strings just like so, and then that will be the hanger part of the wreath. So here I will let the video explain to you what I'm doing. Just like so, and then I'm just going to give it like a simple knot and just place it on the ladder. And then with the leftover twine, I'm just going to create a little bow, as you can see. And that is it for the first DIY. I personally love the way they came out. I think it came out really cute. You can decorate it however you want. You can use any color you want on it, but I think it's a perfect home farmhouse decor. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Now for the second DIY, I'm going to be using popsicle sticks, one base. I'm using those, but you can use any base you like it. Some twine, and also the same paint what I used on the first one, the empty wax and white paint. So I'm going to start by giving a one coat of white paint. I ended up giving 2 coats honestly in this one because I added a little bit of water on my paint because I was running out of paint. Yes, like so. So I'm going to leave the base on the side, and now I'm going to be working with the popsicle sticks. So these popsicle sticks, some of those come bended, so make sure if you recreate this project, make sure you get the flat ones. So here I'm just trying to measure how large I want the twine and cut it. And now I also going to be using a ruler to make sure the popsicle sticks are straight. So here I'm going to be just mark it like 1 centimeter down both sizes, and then I'm going to use hot glue and add the twine just like so. So I'm going to be doing that on the bottom and on top. Now I'm going to be repeating the same step on the other side. As you can see, it kind of look like a bamboo sheet. So now with the twine, I'm going to start to just wrapping around and make a simple knot and just cut it. And I'm going to be doing that with the entire popsicle, just like so. So as you can see, what I'm trying to do is like a base or a little mat. So then I cut the ends. So what I like about this is you can use it in any base you want. So when you get tired of using in that base, you can use it in a bottle or just a little tray and just place something on it. I don't know. Maybe it's just a silly idea, but I thought it's cute. So I stained it a little bit, and now I'm going to be just place it on the base like I was mentioned already. So here with the rest of the twine, I just basically did a knot and cut the excess, and then I'm going to be placing more twine around, and this is just optional, as is I think it's beautiful already as it is, but I added more twine around, and also I'm going to be using some black paint and give it some little touches on the bottom and also on the top. And I also going to be distressing a little bit just because I want to go with the rest of my home decor. So yeah, I did that, and then I added a little bit of white paint as well to blend it out, the black paint, just like so. And yeah, why I added some Dollar Tree flowers, and I think it came out really cute. So let me know which one was your favorite one, number 1 or number 2. So I also going to leave in here some DIYs that I have done in the past for the springs as well. If you guys want to go check it out, I will leave the links on the description down below. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. And God bless you all, and thank you so much for your continued support. So see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.